So this is the first setup I tried. The tube goes all the way up and through the dash and into a tiny radiator. So I'm letting out the water to make some changes on the system, and I discovered that there's some bubbly action here, so I'll have to change this line. It's basically a plastic tube here, so no wonder it leaks a little bit. So this is what I just did. Now it's on a bit of an angle, so the water should come in the pipe a little easier. Let's put it on and test it. Right, here's the new setup. I spun this around so it's now facing up, so it should now need even smaller pressure to get up to this thingy. So I've connected this up. Here's the radiator thingy. Just connects to a computer fan with a little speed controller. You can see it works. Very nice. So it just goes from here, where water goes into the engine head, all the way through here. I will later make so it goes through here, but for now I don't want to make any holes into this in case I decide to change something, and then it goes from the radiator all the way through here into here. I will also make another hole here from the same little metal coupler thingy that I have over there. So it's gonna connect up nicely, and then I'm gonna be able to screw on the lid onto the radiator, no problem. And now I'm just gonna start the tractor and move it around a little bit because it's winter. We're not gonna use this tractor during the winter, so I'm gonna put it over there. So, tractor's all nicely parked. This fan is still blowing semi-warm air. The tractor wasn't running for that long, so it's not that warm, but it's pretty warm. One problem though, a lot of the water pressure from the pump doesn't go into the engine head thingy. It goes into this guy, which doesn't go into the engine head either. It goes straight into the radiator, so it will be really nice to make a valve of some sorts. Okay, I also got a new fuel cap thingy. Can't. Slippy gloves. So this one has a nice little chain. Actually, do I have fuel? I don't think so. Well, shit. So yeah, I used to have some tomato sauce lid thingy. Now I have a proper thingy. Yay. Very nice. So we'll need to make some sort of a valve, like adjustable thingy, so you can open and close this whole system. Let's turn this off. Easy. Of course. Yes, light still works, of course. This battery is really old though, so doesn't really hold voltage very well. But for the tractor here, it runs perfectly well. So yeah, this is gonna be the video about a little prototype heater. Of course, it won't work very well during the winter because, you know, holes in the windows. I couldn't find any spare glass yet, but there should be someone with some old cabin that they won't use, because usually people just switch out the cab completely, but kind of costs like €1,000, so it's kind of a lot. Yeah, so it'd be nice to fix the roof with some scrap metal or something, and then get some spare windows, spare glass for the windows, because I already tried to fix this window right here. You can see it holds all nicely. I 3D printed some plastic bits. Usually these are from rubber, but this kind of soft-ish plastic works pretty good too. So the windows are nice and silent. So thank you for watching this little video. Actual restoration videos should be coming soon too. Yay. Thank you and bye.